Nature's Best Photography was launched with the mission to celebrate nature through the art of photography. This year, we received more than 26,000 entries. From those shots, we created an awards program for that special spot at an exhibit at the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. More than 7 million people come through the museum every year. Many of them will come through this exhibit. They're immediately drawn in. It's that personal connection that the quality of these prints deliver. Epson technology has allowed us to reach the high standards the museum requires for all their exhibitions. And now, with the new advanced Epson technology, color can last up to 200 years, whereas black and white can go 400 years.
We specialize in high-quality micro exhibitions. Previously, I printed on the Epson Stylus Pro 9900. It had excellent wide gamut and an excellent sharpness. This time, we printed on the Epson P9000. It had the same great wide gamut, but it also had an L-star too, and that means the black was just bang on out of sight deep. And the prints I'm producing off of it are just phenomenal. Versatility in a printer is everything for me. Being able to use it day in and day out without any issue is priceless. This printer has completely lived up to those standards. Depending on the job, we can be moving between cut sheets or roll. And the versatility of this printer makes it an extremely easy process. Advanced black and white mode quality is amazing even compared to making an ICC profile. And one of the nice things is that this functionality is built right into the driver. And the prints I get are so beautifully neutral, I couldn't ask for anything more. In the end, I'm tasked with faithfully reproducing these images to what all the photographers had intended. And this printer truly allows me to do that.
Well, the print quality is as good as I've ever seen in my life, especially holding the shadow detail and the little layers of color and the gradations. I don't know how Epson does it.
The print looks incredible. It's so sharp and the quality is amazing.
The quality of the prints is absolutely stunning, but the way the colors pop, printed the way it is, printed the size it is on what it was printed on, and in such a special place, really makes the moment for me.
The picture was good when I sent it in, but when I walked up to the gallery this afternoon and saw this, I was like, oh my God, Epson just really made my picture look great.
When I first came to the Smithsonian and I saw this size of my picture and this so perfect printing, I was like crying.
Epson technology is so good. It gets out of the way and allows us to focus on this incredible photographic journey from the wild to the walls of the Smithsonian.